Okay, I'm going to show another simple little reaction here, little chemical reaction that you can do with the pupils at the primary school. Really simple to set up. Again, it's going to involve using some vitamin C tablets, but this time taking just a small drinks bottle here, and you'll need some water and also a balloon. So the idea is to add some water to the bottle and then simply add some of the vitamin C tablets to the water, and by this stage hopefully the pupils know it gives off a gas. They might even by this stage hopefully know that that gas is called carbon dioxide. It's the same gas incidentally that we breathe out, so you might want to tie that into this experiment. Simply by putting the vitamin C tablets in here, we're going to get the same chemical reaction. So they're going to get fizzing, they're going to get a colour change, they're going to hear the sounds, but the gas this time can't escape, because we're going to put a balloon on top, and that balloon's going to collect the carbon dioxide. So rather than just going straight out of the bottle, it's going to go into the balloon. It's a bit of fun, the pupils will enjoy it, but also hopefully they get this idea of chemical reactions. So you'll probably find, if you use a small bottle like this, that the whole tablet probably won't fit in, but obviously that's no problem because these break so easily. It's probably best not to use a very large bottle, because obviously when you put the tablet in here, the gas has to fill up this space first before it can fill up the balloon. So just bear that in mind. You might want to put a little bit more water in or a little bit less. You may even want to investigate with hot water and cold water to see the effect that has on the chemical reaction. And of course the hot water will make it go faster, so their balloon will blow up faster. The cold water obviously will go slower. So I've just got cold water in here, but like I say, it's something that you can maybe experiment with. The pupils, they'll certainly enjoy it once they get into it. So I'm just going to set this up. Because I'm using cold water, it'll probably take about 2 to 3 minutes for this to work. So we'll cut the video and we'll return to it once it's finished. So I'm just going to take the tablet here, break it up into halves. I'm going to be quite generous and add 4 bits, but 2 bits would probably be enough, or 1 whole tablet rather. So I'm just going to put them in like this, okay, and then it can be a little bit tricky to get the balloon on, so some of the pupils might struggle with that, but simply over the top, and like I say, we'll return to that in a couple of minutes. Okay, so we've had this on the go now for about 2 or 3 minutes, and as you can see, the balloon's gone up, full of carbon dioxide. In fact, it's still bubbling away as I speak, so the reaction's not quite finished yet. But like I say, the more you add, and the more you add of the vitamin C tablets, the more water, you should get more gas. So you might find actually that if you add enough, you can fill up virtually a whole balloon full of carbon dioxide gas. So a really simple experiment, but like I say, you could use this in a variety of contexts, doing it as a little investigation, different temperatures of water, different amounts of the tablets, a quarter to a half to 3/4, even good for their math skills, dividing up the tablet. So like I say, or simply just as a little demonstration to show them the signs of a chemical reaction, being a gas given off, bubbles, and the sound they hear from the bubbles, and a colour change again. So really simple, really easy to do. Requires very little time. Simply find a bottle, some balloons, buy some vitamin C tablets, get some water, and off you go. Okay?